What wouldst thou say, were I within thy sight, that I could hear thy words from thine own lips? Wouldst thou become a beacon to my light, gracing my beamings with thy fingertips? Wouldst thou stand back and watch what I unfold, the furrowed wings holding themselves in check, the lifting eyes enthralled to behold with sudden silence thine unfettered beck? Wouldst thou entrance with whispers of thine eye the startled gaze where thine illusion dwells? And wouldst thou smile, knowing the thunder cries to break that veil through simple truth's deep wells? Wouldst thou stand still, that I might hear thy sight within my heart, and learn thy spirit right?